Hello everyone, my name is Cameron and I work here at Ottawa Saint-Laurent Jeep and Ram. Today I want to take the time and show you this 2017 GMC Sierra 3500 HD we recently took in trade. The truck is absolutely a beast and it is in great condition with no accidents. We recently took it on trade, and as you can see it is equipped with the Z71 off-road package. Also it has a 6.6 liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, which will give you a great towing capacity and great fuel economy. With this truck you can tow about 13,000 pounds on the hitch, and if you do have a bigger trailer or a bigger toy that you want to move around, you can also use this fifth wheel gooseneck prep, which is already equipped with, and tow a whopping 17,000 pounds with this truck. This is the SLE trim level, so it does have a lot of nice features inside included. As you can see, it has the off-road style factory side steps as well, and the truck itself is in great shape. Now this is just to show you the outside. There's no dents, scratches, or any scuffs even, and then we're gonna go inside, show you a little bit of the inside, so stay on. So coming inside the truck, this is what the interior looks like. As you can see, it's really well maintained by the previous owners. This screen is touchscreen. It has your navigation. It's also going to show you your backup camera when you put the truck on reverse, so the camera is very nice and clear. Your phone call and your text can also be accessed from this screen. And down bottom here you do have dual temperature climate control, which is nice to have, so the driver and passenger can have two different temperature settings, or you can leave them on sync and they both change at the same time. So very nice, very convenient. You also have your heated seats for the driver and for the passenger, and you get to choose which side you want on, or the top or just the bottom, or both of them. Your traction control, your cargo lights, your downhill assist is also right here at the tip of your fingers. Coming here to the steering wheel, from the buttons right here, you get to control the screen that's on the driver cluster. So your fuel range, your trip monitor, your speedometer, or your audio, what song is playing, what station is on, your phone calls, and your navigation direction. So you get to choose and play with them just with the buttons here on the right side of the steering wheel. On the left side you do have your cruise controls, and on the left side here you have the trailer brake control, you have your 4x4 system, and you have your light control. So overall, very nice and well put together. The truck has 97,440 kilometers on it. It's nothing for a big truck like this, especially when it's well maintained like this one. And also, just to show you the back space, it is the full crew cab, so you have lots of space in the back. Everyone can sit comfortably, and in the middle you also have your cup holders or armrest as you want to use. The chairs are also 60/40 foldable, so if you do need more cargo space in the back, you can simply just lift them and use this space in the bottom. And as you can see from the mirror here, it does have the back rag, so that's something also equipped and you don't have to pay for. So as you can see, very nice truck, very well put together. If you have any more questions or you want to come see it, come drop by at 900 Saint-Laurent Boulevard, ask for Cameron, and we can go over the truck once again. Thanks for watching, everyone.